We're back at Blackjack's. We got parts to put on this truck. What are we put? What are we putting on it?
Right here. These N Fab step bars, husky mud flaps, and husky floor mats. I think something else. Oh yeah, the trimmer balance. I don't remember what that's at there.
How do you know that's called a valance?
I don't know. Look how dumb this is. How big it is.
Yeah, I didn't notice it till you pointed it out that it was big. It is
The
big honking tank.
The new one's like this big.
Yeah. Let's see it. They're bubble wrapped.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna lower my payload a lot. I forgot to look my knife off today.
I got.
I didn't even open those Amazon ones. I just put it in the back of the truck and took them right straight over there.
You gotta put the brackets on.
They're cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
Brackets are in here too?
Yeah, in that box. The little boxes underneath there.
How long did it take it to come?
Came today.
When'd you order it?
I don't know what I did with it. Did it land in it? I've always got spares. They're laying on every car. I didn't want to open them up even because I figured you would want to show it unboxing or something. Yeah.
Did you get these back ones already?
Yeah.
Man,
You ever seen one of them though?
I didn't know this frame was totally boxed.
Yeah.
How's these going?
It probably just goes on there and just goes on there.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Here's a bunch. You got that camera on?
Yeah, that's all.
I told Jeff he should get one of those to film shit once a week. He does cool stuff out here.
Yeah.
You got a couple of them on. Here's one.
Yeah.
So I don't have to hold this?
No, you're good. They ain't gonna go nowhere. They drop down a little bit, but they ain't gonna go nowhere now.
I'll go start putting another one back. You got all the nuts? You know.
Need two more. 2 washers and 2 nuts.
What are you putting together?
I put the brackets on the other one. Yeah, these aren't tight either.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll get them. Once we get them, I want them sitting down at the top of that oblong hole.
2 of them? What style is this? Do they have different style bump or
Yeah, they
different
make
style
a
ones?
bunch of different ones. Ask Jeff, it's something. Podium or something.
That's all.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got to be outside this thing.
Push it up. There he goes. Need a hammer sometimes.
Mm-hmm. Should have seen Kennedy out here when we worked on his fucking junk. Yeah.
What's he doing to that thing?
We did that ladder rack, the lift.
Did he put a lift on? I thought he did.
Yeah, did it out here.
I was gonna text him and ask him about it.
And then I was getting on him because we were putting that stupid element rack on the back that he put that basket on. He's putting the washers on. I said there's a finished edge and there's a unfinished edge. Put the finished edge out. I didn't know that. I said, as ADD as you are, and you sit there and want to put something together like that, and you can see these fucking washers.
These ones do, don't they?
Yeah, about all of them are. They have like a pressed end where they. What are we short?
I'm done.
Okay. Well, I usually raise it up more.
Jeff said he knocked himself out here.
Really?
And you don't know how long he was here. But dark when he
Was
woke
he
up.
just laying on the
2 or 3
floor?
hours, yeah, I was right here between the lift. Had blood running down my face and everything else.
You got you a shower and a bed out here?
It'd be nice for a nap every once in a while. I'm leaving. It doesn't matter.
How do you mount the mud flaps? How do you mount the mud flaps? Has it got little mounts too?
It's not them universal ones that say back off. Yosemite Sam.
I guess they go on the front too, don't they?
Yeah.
How do you get this thing off? Is it just on here like the plastic pins like
No, it's
everything
all,
else is?
14 bolts.
Ain't got 14
8
bolts.
millimeter.
It does have 14 bolts.
Does it really? Oh, it is, ain't it? There's a bunch of little bolts.
What do you want to do now?
Husky liners, mud guards. What's special about them?
I don't know. Just like the front one.
They don't have the trucker girl on them.
Yep.
What is this for?
I don't use them. They want you to put it right here.
Oh.
But you've got this double-sided tape. It doesn't really touch it. If you want to put it on, I'll put it on.
Nah. Take one.
I think they're these short guys up. You gotta kind of force them.
Is that all? Oh, no.
Well, it's a clip. There should be a metal clip in there.
There's 4 of them.
What?
No, they're like a right there. Those go on the front.
There's bolts in here to use these.
Usually on the back, on that inside, and then I'll put one. There's usually a hole right there, and put it through that felt right there just to give it more strength. You're not really drilling through the metal, you're just drilling through that hard plastic and carpet just to kind of.
Yeah. Man, this truck is pretty long.
Hey, you barely fit on here. You barely got off the rail. There's good.
I got one of them things. I think that's the better one than I got. Is that the best one?
It's that long reach. I just wanted that to be able to get it in places.
Let me hold it while you're getting her going.
Jeff, you remember when you put that stupid fuel pump in that truck?
The Ranger
Yeah.
in the driveway, and
Yeah,
then
it
you
was
sanded the bed down
And it was raining.
and had plastic. Oh, I still got a picture of that on my phone, actually.
We had that easy. We had that easy up set up over top of that, and it was raining.
Right there it is.
Oh my gosh.
This is kind of hard to do. Whoa. Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right.
Oh, that was good.
Don't rush me. I'm gonna have to cheat and go get a.
Do these ones just got 2 screws in, or does it got more?
I think that's it. Those just get 2 screws in, don't they, Jed?
Yeah.
Huh.
What do you do with that tool there?
Are you gonna grease this ball, Dad?
You just drop these things out, right?
Huh? Are you gonna grease this ball?
No. We'll make your trailing like that fork crane.
What?
You grease? I did that before in the grease. The grease blade held down. Well, that's not work right.
That was on the ball?
Huh?
What does that have to do with the lights?
Because that's the ground for your trailer. They do. They make grease.
Dielectric grease.
Yeah. Reese makes it, right? Hitch.
Yeah, but it's just dielectric grease.
Jennifer.
You need more bolts in any of the front ones or anything?
Nah.
Or they're good?
We put the one in there. Well, we can put a bunch in there.
Why he's riding a motorcycle?
Little guy on that bike, man, he gets after it every afternoon. Just get round and round like he goes.
I kind of got this one off centered.
Now your 2 outside ones, you'll see them. They're different
Dad wants you to see how dumb this looks on here
than the rest of them
before
are.
it comes off. That looks better already.
What are you going to give me for this trade-in? Anything?
Put it on Face Club Marketplace.
It's already hit something.
These are my suppliers.
Chuck, do these big ones go?
They go on the outside.
These?
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Brad. Let me know if you guys need anything.
Is that it?
Yep. Yeah, just the big ones go on the very outside.
So
The rest of them are all
just,
small.
These just go here.
And I was flipping them both. Did you pick him up, Jared? The ones that were swinging?
I picked one up.
I only saw one fly off.
Yeah, I thought there was more than that.
I think one flew off over here somewhere.
Yeah, it's right there. I see it.
Putting it on the wrong way.
gotta put that in top.
I did put
Nothing in the center. Nothing in there. Nothing in there.
I did put this one upside down. More.
And that one too. Because them center ones, that's where your 3 go up from the bottom.
That it?
Yep.
What do you do about these stupid ass things?
What? You don't see them? Oh, we'll take those off. Those are freaking snowplow. You got a snowplow package.
Rough.
Are you gonna get a snowplow for this?
No.
You wouldn't believe
You don't even notice it now.
Yeah.
but it covers that 312.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks way better. Yeah, we put this on the other day.
The bug shield?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Jeff put it on out of California.
Is that all the parts you got?
Oh yeah, installed the mud flaps.
We already installed the mud flaps. The floor liners?
You got it. Are they dirty in? Is it dirty in there?
Yeah, I guess I would have waited.
Not bad.
I can do that at home. What's
I
it?
got a little Milwaukee there.
All right.
So you're gonna make us stand here and watch you clean your truck.
He's got a video in there. It pulls out more.
Is this the one I got?
No, yours has got a thing on the buttons on the top of it or something here.
I got the small one that
All right, so we just got done with this thing. Man, it looks way better. I'm gonna swing the camera around here, you can see it. Yeah, the valance. I mean, why did it not come like this anyway? And then Jeff put this on for me the other day. Bug hood protector. And I put that antenna on. I forgot what kind it is. N Fab step bars. Yeah, it looks so much better. And you can get in it. And husky mud flaps on it. And we put that bed cover on the other day. Set the husky floor liners. Yeah. They fit good too. Look good. Yeah, so this LED light is out on this side. Came that way. They tried a LED module or something for it that didn't work. And there's the floor mat on this side. And Ford said they had to order a new headlight assembly. Take a couple days to get it, but yeah, I got 1,500 miles on the truck now. So I pulled one of my smaller trailers with it. Weighs, I don't know, 3,000 pounds or something, but pulls it like it's not, you know, it's not 3,000 pounds is not much for any truck nowadays, really. So, but definitely tows it better than my Tundra did, for sure. And yeah, really happy with the way it looks so far. So we're gonna get some more stuff for it though here shortly. So yeah, thanks for watching. And we're gonna have some more videos coming, fixing some other stuff. And cops are doing something. Yeah, thanks for watching though. Y'all have a good one.